What's up, family? Daily lesson number 57. What is market cap and why it matters more than price? Definition plain English. Market capitalization equals stock price times total shares outstanding. It tells you the true size of the company in the market. Simple example. Stock A, $10 per share times 1 billion shares equals 10 billion in market cap. Stock B, $100 per share times 10 million shares equals 1 billion in market cap. The $10 company is actually the bigger company because it has a bigger market cap. Price alone means nothing without market cap. Why this matters? Market cap helps investors understand stability versus growth, risk level, how institutions invest, how much upside and downside exists. This is how pros categorize companies. Market cap categories, real world. Large cap is anywhere from $10 billion plus. These are established companies, they're more stable, they have slower growth and lower risk. Mid-cap companies have a market cap between 2 billion and 10 billion. These are growing companies and their balance of growth and stability. So mid-cap companies are companies that's growing, trying to become large cap. And then you have small cap. Small cap is anything under 2 billion. This is early stage companies. This is higher growth potential, but it's higher volatility and risk because these companies, a lot of them aren't making money yet, right? Some of them are, but a lot of them are trying to get profitable. So context matters. Common beginner mistakes. This stock is cheap because it's $5. That's not accurate. Ignoring share count. Always pay attention to the number of outstanding shares. Not realizing dilution can change the market cap. And a stock can dilute their shares by putting more shares on the market, which lowers the price, but it gives you an opportunity to buy it lower. It just depends on the context. So pay attention. A $3 stock is overvalued, or it can be overvalued. And a $300 stock can be undervalued. It's based on market cap and all of these indicators, all of these gauges that I'm teaching you. How smart investors use market cap. Large cap equals core holdings. Mid cap is growth exposure. Small cap is speculative plays, right? They got a lot of upside, but they got a lot of risk and volatility too. Pros build portfolios by size, not by price. The key is, family, market cap tells you what you're really buying. Price is what you pay. Market cap is what you own. Like, subscribe, share, and follow for daily wealth lessons. I love y'all.